Python versus Java. Which should you learn first? Python and Java are two of the most important programming languages in the world. Both have strong job markets and long futures. But for most learners, one is a better starting point. Python is widely considered the easiest programming language to learn. Its syntax is clean and readable, and you can write working code in hours, not weeks. Python dominates in data science, machine learning, automation, and scripting. It is also widely used in web development and academic research. Java is more verbose and has a steeper learning curve. But it is an enterprise powerhouse. Java runs the backend systems of banks, insurance companies, and large corporations worldwide. Android application development, enterprise software, and large-scale distributed systems rely heavily on Java. If your goal is data science, AI, or automation, start with Python. If your goal is enterprise software development or Android apps, start with Java. If you are unsure, start with Python. Python teaches you programming fundamentals in the most accessible way. And once you know Python well, learning Java or any other language becomes significantly easier. Both are worth knowing in a long career. The best language is the one that gets you to your first job.